Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can record slow motion video on your Infinix smartphone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. To record slow motion video, here you have to tap on camera. After you tap on camera, you can see the screen. After that, you just slide like this on this last option. Here you can see this slow motion. So here click on this slow motion. After that, here let's move the camera fast, okay? Yeah, move. Then here let's check it. Okay, the slow motion video. Then let's play the video. So here I'm going to play this slow motion video that I have recorded. Okay, so I play here slow motion video. I was moving my camera so fast, but it's showing slowly. Okay, see, it's too slow. So this is the slow motion video record successfully like this. Okay, so you can record little bit slower also, but it's too slow here. You can record better than me. Okay, I just show you how you can record your slow motion video. Okay, so I click on the back button. After that, here I will show you my finger also. I will move like this. Okay, so here let's check the video. See, I was moving my finger fast, but it shows only slow. Okay, see, so this is slow motion video. You can record easily by just tapping on this icon. Okay, I'll show you. See, this is the slow motion and you just need to tap on this red button. You just tap and you can record nicely, easily. Okay, and if you want flashlight for your slow motion video, here is the flash. Just tap on flash and here the flashlight has been on. Okay, so you can off also by just tapping on flash. It will be off. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.